Hi everyone, let's solve another example from chapter 4. This time it is question 52. Let's read the question. Question 52. When a 12-volt car battery powers a single 30-watt headlight, calculate part A, how many electrons pass through it each second. So let's start with this. So we are told the power is 30 watt. We want to find how many electrons per second need to be supplied to get to this amount of energy per second. All right. Now, in order to solve that problem, we need to know what will be the amount of energy that each electron will carry. Well, that one is really straightforward. It will be equal to the electric potential energy. So the charge of the electron multiplied by the amount of volt. This will be equal to 12 electron volt. We will come back to this for part B. In part A, we really need to have the value in joule. So E is equal to 1.6 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 19. And we multiply 12 in front. All right. So to know the number of electrons per second, we divide the amount of energy per second divided by the energy of each electron. So basically 30 divided by the energy of each electron. And we get 1.56 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 19 electrons. So I use this value for the electron. There's no real standard unit for the electron. Okay, there's the part B to that question. Let's read the part B. So how many electron volt are consumed in 1 second? Well, once we know how many electrons are consumed every second, well, we just have to multiply by the number of electron volt that each electron carry. And we saw here that each electron carry 12 electron volt of energy. So this is really simple. We take the amount of electron per second. We multiply by the time we are asked for 1 second. This one is fairly straightforward. We multiply by 1. And we multiply by the number of electron volts. So 12. 12 multiplied by 1.56 multiplied by 10 power 19. And we get 1.87 multiplied by 10 power 20 electron volt. Now note, this is an enormous amount of electron that's moving every second. And the irony is, this is an enormous amount of electron, but it's a tiny, tiny, tiny percentage of any conductor. Any conductor of any size really will contain way more electron than this, probably by a factor of 1,000,000 at this point. All right, so that's it for question 52. Let's move to another example.